Good morning and welcome back. This is gonna be a travel vlog, and some couple of vlogs after this are also gonna be travel vlogs. We are going to Florida, driving down. It's 6:30 in the morning, so we are ready, packed up in the car, and it's gonna take us 8 hours.
Yeah,
8 hours to reach Florida. And the first stop we're gonna do is at Buc-ee's in South Carolina. I've never been there, but I'm so excited. I've heard a lot about it, so we're gonna stop there, eat breakfast, and continue with our drive. And then we have Aiden over there. Are you excited to go to Florida, Aiden?
We're going to the vacation, silly.
Oh. He's saying we're going to the vacation, silly. Yeah, we are going for vacation to Florida.
What? No.
Starting route to 7102 Grand Horizons Boulevard. Your first stop is Buc-ee's.
Beautiful vacation.
yay, let's go.
All right, better. It was too blurry. And then we also have Kushar here, who
Barely
came down.
made it.
Yeah, who came down from Michigan for the vacation. And then we have Mayank. So let's go. All right, we stopped at Buc-ee. We ate our breakfast, and I forgot to shoot. Yeah, we got cookies, and then I ate the sausage, egg and cheese burrito.
I got a triple mix. Cheddar, popcorn, and caramel popcorn, and plain salted popcorn.
Yeah, we got some coffees and tater tots, and then this is the bean potato cheese taco that is here for Aiden. And we are filling up the tank. We are filling up the tank, and then yeah, and then we are gonna head straight for our hotel, and if we want to stop in the middle, we will stop, but that's the plan. Look at the car, it's all loaded up. We have the stroller and everything, so yeah, let's go. Now that Aiden is...
Baby, I will hold this, you sit, and you can do pee-pee. Okay?
Come on, go, get down. Should I put on your Crocs?
You just have to sit on this and do pee-pee.
Now that Aiden is potty trained, we have stopping so he can go pee, and we have the porta potty carrying with us. Now he is saying we're gonna use it for the first time today.
Wait, what's this piece?
Baby, where have you stopped? What is this?
Random stop.
Oh, okay.
This is nothing.
Second, second building on the left. Alright, we are here. It's a vacation club by Marriott, and super excited to check in. And then once we check in, I'll give you the room tour. And it's basically not a room, it's a suite. We'll show you the suite, and then take you guys along with us. We're gonna chill today by the pool, have some food, some drinks, so yeah. Alright, so we just checked in, and I'm gonna show you real quick. So it's like a vacation beach club, and this is the door. So as you enter, so as we enter, I think this is the hot water thingy, and then you go here. It's a bath. It's a full bath with two twin bed or queen bed. I think there are two queen beds here. This is room number 1 with the closet and TV and everything. And then you again come out to the same spot, and this is like the whole kitchen. Whole full functional kitchen with fridge and oven and microwave and everything. They even give dishes and all that stuff. There's a mirror. There I am. And then they also have like a dining area here and the bar stools, and that's the living area with TV. And this is again the same room. And then what is this? This is a mini closet. And then this is the living room, and it has a balcony. Here, let me open it for you, baby. Go. Here's the balcony. It also has furniture outside. This is the lake view. So pretty, so beautiful. I forgot how beautiful Florida used to be. And then here is another bedroom with a king size bed and a full bath over there. There. And then also has a beautiful view over here. Wow. So this is like a whole apartment. So I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. We are gonna get all the stuff from the car, settle in, and then probably change and head to the pool because I want to go and play in the pool. And then Mayang's gonna tell me all the good things that this vacation club offers. So I'm gonna know everything what to do. And there's also a pool bar here, so I'm very excited.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
So we are at the pool. This is like a pirate shipwreck pool for all the kids. And Aiden, are you having fun? Oh yeah, he's fishing over here. He got some pool toys? Wow!
Whoa! What
Wow! A yellow fish?
Here.
We ordered some food and drinks that we are gonna get and sit here and chill and enjoy it. I'll show you when the food is here. Ordered dinner in the room because we are so tired. So I got poke bowl. It has salmon, tuna, mango. I mean, so it looks so good. They got bole because the last time we had bole was when we used to live in Florida, right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see the bowl. Wow. So it's gonna be delicious. The only thing missing is potatoes because it looks like they removed the potatoes. They don't have it on the menu.
They replaced it.
Oh, with sweet potato. Okay.
They used to have that herb roasted potatoes. They
Yeah.
replaced it with the normal potato.
Now let's try a bite.
It sounds fair. Count 3. 1, 2. I got the phone. But that wasn't fair, But I counted to 3. Thank you for your phone.
Wow.
Oh, my phone.
I'm using a poke bowl for first time.
Alex not here.
I still love it.
Wow, can you help me
The tuna is like butter.
These walls fighting to create